one of the most popular cars to ever travel down a production line, the Chevrolet Bel Air is an American icon. Even one who knows nothing about cars can identify with the Bel Air. Produced consistently between 1959 and 1980, these cars are a staple in the US motor industry, setting the bar for comfort and style. This car is fitted with a Chevrolet fuel-injected small block, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Now they are increasingly hard to find in good condition, and their classic 50s styling have made them highly collectible.